Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 1st April 2025. Political news. India considers removing import tax on US LNG. India is contemplating eliminating import taxes on US liquefied natural gas, LNG, to boost imports and address its $45.4 billion trade surplus with the United States. This initiative aims to make US LNG more competitively priced and aligns with India's commitment to increase energy purchases from the US. As the world's fourth-largest LNG importer, India's demand continues to grow, with US supplies currently accounting for 20% to 25% of its imports. India positions itself as an alternative in global tech governance. India is emerging as a third option in global tech governance, distinct from American and Chinese models. Through a decade of Digital India policies, the country has achieved significant technological advancements, including widespread digital identity usage and robust payment systems. India is now exporting its digital public infrastructure to other emerging economies. However, challenges remain, such as addressing concerns over internet shutdowns and ensuring digital rights and press freedom. Sports news. Australia announces white ball series against India. Cricket Australia has scheduled 8 white ball matches against India from August to November, preceding their Ashes series against England. The lineup includes 3 one-day internationals and 5 T20 matches. Notably, for the first time in 17 years, matches will be held in every Australian state and territory. The Ashes series is set to commence on 21st November in Perth. Eugenio Chacarra wins Hero Indian Open. Spanish golfer Eugenio Chacarra secured victory at the 2025 Hero Indian Open, finishing 2 strokes ahead and earning full DP World Tour status. This marks Chacarra's first win since departing from the LIV circuit and positions him as the first Spaniard to triumph at this tournament. The win is expected to elevate his world ranking and bolster his aspirations for the PGA Tour. IPL 2025, Chennai Super Kings strategy under scrutiny. Following a narrow 6-run defeat to the Rajasthan Royals, questions have arisen regarding the Chennai Super Kings batting order and strategic decisions. Veteran player Cheteshwar Pujara critiqued the approach of MS Dhoni and Ravindra Jadeja during the chase of a 183-run target, suggesting they could have accelerated their scoring earlier in the innings. Jakub Mensik upsets Novak Djokovic in Miami Open final. In a stunning conclusion to the Miami Open, 18-year-old Jakub Mensik defeated world number 1 Novak Djokovic. This victory marks Mensik's first ATP Masters 1000 title and signals his emergence as a formidable talent in men's tennis. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.